Hey, it's Tanaya. I am back with another video, and today we're going to be doing some Nirvana Beauty Strip Lash try-ons. So I'm going to show you guys all the different strip lashes I have in my lash collection, so you can find out the perfect lash for you depending on where you're going, what kind of mood you're in. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I have on the Running Late lash. As you can see, it's very natural. It's something that you can pop on going to work, going out with friends, running your errands, but you just want a little pop to the eye. You know, this is like if you went to get lash extensions and got a classic set. It's something very, very light, not very voluminous, but like just enough to say, oh, she has a lash on, but it looks really cute and very natural. So these are for my girls that just want a little pop of something, you know? So I have it for you. Go pick up the Running Late lash. Now, let me try on another lash that'll give you a completely different look. So the next lash I'm going to be trying on is called Calling Out. So this is the Calling Out lash. It has a cute cat eye look, and I called it Calling Out because it's like you're on vacation, you got somewhere to go, you ain't trying to be at work, and wherever you at that you had to call out of work, you look good doing it, okay? So let me show you what Calling Out looks like. Okay, so this is the Calling Out lash. I like this one because I just love the nameplate on it. It's like a little more voluminous than the Running Late lash, and also it gives you more of that cat eye look, but it's not too dramatic of a cat eye. We have another lash if you want a more dramatic cat eye look, but this one is super cute, definitely great for going out. I would definitely wear this one going out with friends or going out on a date because it just gives even more of a pop. It has a little bit more of personality, okay? All right, the next lash I'm gonna try on is the London lash. Now this lash is more spiky, a little more wispy. So it has different lengths in the strip lash. So it's long, short, long, short, long, short, but it's not like too like long and then straight short, or like it's not too harsh. It's nicely blended, nice wispy, spiky look. So let me just show you guys this one. Okay, so this is the London lash, more voluminous, definitely a little more spiky, a little more wispy, but it just adds that va-va-voom to the lash. Like, it's not overdoing it, but it's just like, hey, I'm here with my girls having a good time, I'm out with my man, I look good, adding a pop to the eye. You literally like don't need to have eyeshadow on. Like, you could just put some eyeliner on and a strip lash, have your brows done, you might put a little powder on your face, and you can go. You know, a little nude lip. Like, a lash really does a lot, okay? It does a lot. You do not need a lot if you have a lash on, all right? So I love this one. This one's called London again. Definitely add it to your collection for when you are going out, honey, all right? You need this one. Alright, so the next lash that we're going to be trying on is the Lust lash. Now, this was a part of the dark collection. That's why this packaging is a little different, but we are phasing out of this packaging, so you can easily get the Lust lash in this box. So that can very much happen. But this lash is giving you very much I'm here, very much volume, length, okay? This is a 25mm lash. So I'm going to show you what this lash is giving. Okay, you guys, this is the Lust lash. It's way more volume and it has more length to this lash. So you're getting a lot with this lash. It's very much like a girl who loves to have voluminous, long lashes. This is the strip lash for you. So that is why I like this one, because if you want to go long and you want to look cute, Lust is for you. Okay, this is like going out to the club, or if you're a girl that likes this look on a daily, you know, when you're going out to the store or whatever, this is for you, because some girls really like volume and length, and I don't think there's anything wrong with it. And don't let anybody make you feel like there's something wrong with it if you like it, period. Okay, so this is the Lust Lash. The last lash that I'm going to be trying on is the Daydream Lash. This is one of the lashes that I started Nirvana Beauty with. I started with 4 strip lashes, only selling strip lashes. I didn't even get into lash extensions yet. And this was one of the babies. And this one is a cat eye look, but it's more of a voluminous cat eye look. So it looks completely different from like the London lash, and it looks completely different from the Calling Out lash. So let me try this one on for you guys. Okay guys, this is the Daydream Lash. This was one of my faves. It still is. Like I said before, I launched with this lash. It was one of the 4, but it is more of a voluminous cat eye look. So this is definitely good for like a good night out look. If you want to wear this during the day, go ahead girl. You go on a brunch or something like that. This is definitely a lash you wear when you're off work, but it's super cute, and it just gives you like that volume, that density, that deep dark look in the eyes. Like it really will make your whole look pop. Like I don't care what you say, your makeup can be like the best, but you need a lash to finish the look, okay? And this is one of those lashes that will finish it, wrap it up in a bow, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so this is the Daydream Lash. Well, that basically ends my lash try on haul by my brand Nirvana Beauty. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. We do have lippies as well, so definitely check out the site for your lash strips and liquid lipsticks. And I will see you in the next video. Make sure to comment down below which one was your favorite lash that you can see yourself wearing. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.